Come to Jamaica for the holiday and we party every night, every day and make we go the beach pan a sunny day and live wild no matter what people say. Just a pack of Durex, good that to me well. Additional blue cologne, give me the smell. And a bag of call credit for me digis. Make we shout everybody figure 80 I me well. School done na me and na me rum, so you know I say me happy, me happy. Somebody everybody happy, somebody everybody happy.
Surprise! I'm oily. My flight got delayed, y'all, like 3 hours. I'm finally in Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica. Okay, so we're not getting home till late. It's already nighttime. I was supposed to get here at 3:15, and now it's about 7 o'clock. So you can just imagine. But we're about to go home. And my grandparents don't know that I'm coming, so it's gonna be a surprise. Hopefully it's not too dark and I can vlog everything. But welcome to my Jamaica summer vlogs. Hopefully I'll enjoy it. And by now y'all know that I'm in Jamaica, so whatever. So I'll get y'all on the way or something. It's already starting weird. I almost went in the driver's seat. I did. The man asked me, say, we may have for my family, I say 5 slippers. He said, enjoy your vacation.
That's all, Jack.
Thank God. Couldn't manage that, you know. They should even search nobody will come on the flight because 2 of them delay away.
Sometimes I search, sometimes I not search. Unless somebody pissed them off.
Then something there, then give away $75.
Back?
Back, I wish. No, if when we have something there again, flight, if we have book with them again. Out to the core, living my life on the road. So me tell them sorry, sorry. Whew, Jesus, hot. Not even dead can't stop me. And with my heart to the core, living my life on the road. So me tell them, suave, suave, just look at me. Jumping a Gucci, jumping a Versace. It's working, y'all can see me a little bit. Suave, suave, y'all can see me a little bit. I bought this little ring light so y'all can see. Ooh. Oh, I forgot I took my earrings out. I'm like, where are my earrings at? It only works if y'all close to my face.
Walk with the trap. Girl, I said it in tough. Ice and chaser, come keep that drink up. The vibes right, I'm thugs, them hype, but we don't give a fuck. We step out in the white and every girl a ball out for talk.
Alright y'all, so we just stopped. I'm gonna want to go buy something to drink. Hey. My uncle saying he wants a splash. I don't even know what that is. Splash, 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 splash. I don't. At this point, I'm just gonna read. Let me see my name. Splash. Splash. Which one of them drinks here named Splash?
Splash?
Yeah. I mean, we can't read, but me. You know, see that down? Nope. No splash. No splash. Oh. You know, so I have to get one true juice. Alright. Guys, don't mind my look, okay? It's been a long freaking day. I want something to snack on, God, boy, I'm hungry. I'm sorry. Hey, I remember all them told me, and Jesus just told me I feel like I'm an idiot. Them have Shirley biscuit. But I'm so me parrot biscuit. I don't like none of this stuff. Maybe a what's this thing called? A strap. I forgot what these are. Butter. Alright. Yeah, look at me. I look like I just went to World War III. My ear. Don't worry, I'm gonna get my ear done Thursday morning. We're about an hour and some change from the house. Still not home. One of them planting. I forgot to ask my uncle what he wanted for drink because this splash drink was not there. Okay. Them not have no splash. Them not have no splash. Them the true juice. Them Pepsi, soda stuff. You want that true juice?
Yeah, go ahead.
What flavor?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
I don't want a fruit juice.
Alright. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make you frighten you. I'm sorry. Alright, so let me say something pineapple. I'm gonna give him guava pineapple just like that. One of them thingy. Y'all remember them? I don't think I like cheese. I think I like ping pong. I don't remember ping pong. I'm gonna buy it on guys. Yeah, they have sunflower seeds, but I'm gonna have the original one. I like the barbecue.
Oh yeah, they want to get that list right now. Yeah?
Everybody stay from with the camera. But you're not paying no mind. Jesus, no space in the for my camera. Yeah, I forgot to delete some stuff to create. And something tell me about my next SD card, you know? Alright, I'm gonna delete. Find somebody for love. Just you text from morning and the 4 and the from to the 400, you know? Mama, they lock off the light, I didn't know. Ting ting! Ting ting!
Somebody will come.
Papa! Guys, they weren't fully surprised.
I want to buy someone something who are come, who are going to get someone something and tell me about. More to me.
No, mommy nearly give me away.
Take me fufu. I guess them here tell us about.
You know, say somebody I come.
Yes. I dance and somebody.
I am home. My pass you one try. Sit down, let me that try light him up with him now. Pay attention.
All right.
Ting ting, you get tally. Why Papa shower big money tall? Yeah, me I come. Mommy, the on the phone. You call me and tell me so on the day. Yeah. I will come here. You look nice. I will come, babe. Do what today? Come me.
You can see me. Our head stays on in that work.
But some mommy got working in it mad. So cute. You know miss me, just come and go, Nini. You know miss me, cute. You know miss me, you get biggie. Say hi, vlog. Say hi.
Oh, yeah,
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, yeah, the video.
Yeah. Cute get big. You miss the teeth. Guys, I'm going to take out my... As I come here, I want to go somewhere. I'm going to take out some of the motor here. So guys, oh, I don't know if I'm... So yeah, so I just passed one of my cousins. I need light in the lane. I just passed try down the road. I even know a real day one to know say try can't see. Nah, I mean try can't hear nor talk. So me I go down there, go surprise him and see. Wagwan. No, mama they don't know, nobody don't know. Father alone. We have follow me fa.
Come with you.
Try say myself weed. Try say myself weed. Wally. Ratty try get new tattoo. When you get it? Friday. Now what you say? Ratty doll. Try tattoo up to backside. Hey, what yo? Let me see how this hanker. Horse. 55. What did he say? Where? Huh? Oh, me don't know what that say. Hooray. So I go and skin teeth. But guys, everybody's surprised. Everybody's surprised. Everybody's surprised. Nobody never knows me I come.
But it's fine.
You didn't know me I come?
No.
Nobody never know.
Not even grandma.
Not even grandma. Guys, ask me rich. Fish. Alright, take it. You want a piece, Uncle Dwight? You want a piece? Come take a piece. Take a piece. Whew.
Take your put in our plate first, though, and then you put it back in the plate. And while I'm going to have to wipe out in our kitchen and the kitchen raw.
Hey, fish here, cool.
I done.
I go in here.
Yeah, boss breast.
I pick it.
Yeah, boss breast.
I picky one.
Tina Mustalame.
Picky one.
The patty fish, you know what they name? You don't know fish.
Butterfish.
What kind of fish mommy carry up with your mama? It's tough like a board. The fish tough.
Where's a pot?
Stress. Hot up? Okay.
Alright.
I'm just gonna plug in. You see where it's on. Right. Okay. Don't mind the closure, don't mind the face, don't mind the hair. I've been at the airport since 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock actually. Almost 12 hours. So look at my kitties. I miss them so much.
Well, bright as day.
Bright as day. Bright as day.
Well, you say black as soon come, so me ask you.
No, no, I have a black coffee, no, so well then.
Slow right at
Black coffee, yeah, but
You can't wait.
the care over them, then get up and go to them, and give them money.
Income?
And I give them money.
I'll give you man.
And give me some budget, just man.
Mash
Hey, we have look a puppy.
nearly mash up your band.
That's a puppy there now.
That one that feel that one before.
That one I did there last year. My name, Mandy. Who this? Mandy dead. The white one did it too.
Yeah, my one little puppy when you left here. So big.
No, no, that one there. What that one name?
I feel mama, I not give you name because this won't be there way.
Blackie. And what that one the name?
Costa.
Oh, Ghostas. Remember Ghostas? Ghostas and man. Oh, who that one here? Tinil, who that one here? Who that dog here?
I watch it, what you want him like?
In here.
Yeah, Blackie.
Blackie that? Mandy and what that one the name?
It's what I got it here.
So with the white one name?
Nina name is
Yeah, name him. In need a name.
Spot.
Spot and that one, the little one, the name. Blackie number 2.
Costa. We got two more on the back.
Remember Ghost? Oh, run a back.
Two more.
Somebody did dead. What name? Lion?
Yeah.
Lion and Prince.
So then the prize is Miss Snowy.
And then Prince.
Costa's got two people on the back.
No, that's up from that.
The white sock of one. Oh God. Yeah, that graduation.
What time graduation?
10 o'clock.
Tomorrow, if you go do me here over there, I'm pretty till Thursday. Yeah.
Them not think, you know, should I do up the idea?
It's dear at $200.
What?
You know?
So braid me ear.
Up America, cheese, that's good, right.
You just buy it here.
Say no, do you put my big flat?
Not big, look smaller. But a fine.
You was there?
Then I saw 6,500 for doing.
6,500.
You will me want him. Kite them all long.
Some year now, some of them are 19,000 now.
For the what?
It depends on how long or fine you want it. Make it long, that's why.
But sometimes it take much in there. You don't know it's any long.
Mommy still got in the bed when she did put.
You know what she said, me picture.
19,000.
And it's fine.
Got the 20,000 got the happy name lunch.
And then buy 3 months.
I can't touch it.
Aye. And dash with that.
I can't touch the bank.
Not so small.
So all they want me case I put in this year and this week, put in next week. Mercy me God. Some of them can't do it themselves.
I wish we could have do it.
Like I said, man, them a make the year now and put on drawing pan their head.
Like a this down.
I didn't really know.
And make you make that? So you can take it off. Okay. Where your grocery then?
Yes.
So you have to go pull it out now and twist it in here. That's this make.
Just put down quick.
That drawing quick.
Papa,
You have a music.
look like
Guys, I took my wig off. Whatever. No shame in my game. Watch TV with me, cute. Mwah! You know miss me? If you can't talk, when the camera come on, you're going silent. You got graduation with me tomorrow? Yes, we all stay with. Mama, go. Papa, go. Yes. 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 Well, we are going to kill a graduation. I got your sister graduation. You're not going to graduation? Yeah? You're not going to sing? You're not sing for your class? You're not come nothing in your class? You have to come some in your class. You come some in your class? I don't know when report come out. When report come out? In ninth hour. Monday. Next week Monday.
I want to go back.
3 weeks. In July.
We are bringing. We are bringing.
When I bring you now, but just you tell you know I bring you already. When you are bring me a visitor.
No, I feel bring you somewhere.
Me if you bring you somewhere? Guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I hope y'all enjoy this first vlog of the night. Don't mind my look, it's hot, so I have to pop my wig off. Right, cute? Say good night. Say good night now. Say bye. Say thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say subscribe. Like. Comment. And share. Bright as day. Bye guys.
Shots in life made me stronger. He made me grow with hunger. Remember me grow. Hey, remember me grow. And I will never forget where me come from. Life did dark like dungeon. Remember me grow. Never forget how me grow.